Welcome to AVM Garden Resort. If you are looking for a private garden resort, what are you waiting for? Visit now. It is located at Pinagtongulan, Lipa, Batangas. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to keep you updated. Are you tired of going to public beaches? It's time to make it private. Here at AVM Garden Resort, there are a lot of things to do. This is their washing area. There are 4 small cottages and 2 big cottages. Welcome to the kitchen area. Comfort room for boys and girls. You can also take your shower here. It's nice to see a comfort room like this. It's so clean and tidy. There are 4 restrooms for boys and 4 restrooms for girls. If you are looking for clean and clear swimming pool, AVM Garden Resort is your choice. They have certified swimming pool operator because your safety is their priority. They have also 1 big pool for adults and 1 for kids.
It's game time!
Round 1. Set, go! Bawal maglakad! Ay, si Angela nanalo! Siyang may 100 pesos! Round 2. Angel, sa gitna, sa gitna, sa gitna. Round 3. Okay, this is the championship of walking edition. Oh, kamay sa kamay. Kamay sa kamay. Walang magsiswimming, okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Lakad lang, walang magsiswimming. Dapat dito sa uli ah. Dapat dito sa uli. Sino kaya mananalo? Si Angel na naman. Yeah! Oh, look at me. Look at me. Yeah! These are inclusions of AVM Garden Resort. Entrance fee, adult pool and kiddie pool, free use of lawn area, kitchen and grill, cottages based on number of packs, CCTV, Wi-Fi, parking space. For additional charges, karaoke with 20k songs, 700 pesos. Gas and stove, 150 pesos. Electric cookware, 150 pesos each. Amplifier, speakers and mic, 500 pesos. You can also request for private events. Make amazing, vibrant memories with us.